Yo, what's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. As you see, I got the carpet, the seats out. I still got to sweep and wipe all this floor down, and it's the last step I got to do. But man, this car really aired out. Ever since I took the carpet out, it just smells a whole lot better in there. This carpet was just stained, it was dirty, it was just nasty. It just smelled nasty in there, just ugly. So I got some of this powder cleaner right here. Sprinkled it all over the floor and scrubbed it really good. It's a little wet in some places. Sorry about the wind, but I still gotta do. There's a little bit of browning right there. I gotta get still a little bit right there. I gotta get. But other than that, I mean, this carpet came out really good, and I only used one bottle of this. So tomorrow when I hit it again, buy another bottle. Take my time. Hopefully it gets it more cleaner. Well, just that. I mean, it looks really good to me. I really like it, but I'm gonna go over it again and make sure that stain really comes out. I also use this stuff on the seats. I got a bucket of hot water and just throw some of this in there. About a good 1 cup of it, and I got it with the brush. I just wash the entire seats down. A lot of these wrinkles right here, there's like dirt just caked in the cracks. All this right here, there's a lot of dirt just stuck in the cracks and just caked on. This right here too. Got the brush, a soft brush. Just scrubbed it. Rinsed it off with some water. Wiped it down. Clean. Did the center console. Back here in the center console right there, there's a bunch of food and crumbs and stains, juice stains, all back there. So I had to pop these side covers off and then just take this off. But yeah, that's my project for the day. I'm gonna finish that carpet up tomorrow. Hit it one more time. Sorry about the wind. I'm gonna hit it one more time. Let it dry and put it back in. But that's gonna do it, guys. Very simple to do if you want to remove the carpet. It's not that hard. Thanks for watching.